All right, guys, good morning. I'm very happy to see you once again. I'm Mr. Johnny, and today is Monday, June 15th, 2020. Okay, for me, it's a privilege to see you here. Remember, these presentations, they are being recorded and they are being shared with you, okay? So, for today's class, the topic is lesson 6. Please open, no, right now, no, sorry. Let's see the huge home for a little bird. This is the name of our unit for today's class. Okay, this is the vocabulary, okay? This is just the vocabulary. If you want to open your notebook and write, okay, for me, it's okay. If not, these are just going to be the notes for you. These are notes for you. Okay, the first vocabulary for this class is danger. Okay, the pronunciation is danger. Danger. What does that mean? It is exposure to risk or evil or harm. Okay. If you can copy, Rebecca, do it. Because this is a brief conclusion, brief introduction. This is a brief introduction, okay? So you can copy. If you can copy so fast, do it. Okay, this is just the explanation. All right. Valeria Martinez, good morning. Okay, please, let me see. Here it appears Samsung S9. Who is Samsung S9 or Samsung S9? Who is? Please, can you write in the chat your name, please? Just to make sure. Please. All right. And then, the little boy, this is an example. The little boy ignored the obvious danger and ran to the electricity area. Okay, Sofia Espinosa, thank you. All right, and this little boy ignored. So the point here is that this guy or this little boy, danger, he's in danger. So danger is something that you are in risk, remember. It's very dangerous. All right, let's continue. This is just an introduction about vocabulary, okay? Okay, right now, let's continue with this. The second slide, it's apartment. Apartment, you know, is little in Spanish. It's a room or habitation. It's a big room, or it could be a small room, you know. So in this case, here's my example. I live in an apartment for many years. And this is the example. You can see the picture. The picture describes what is the apartment, what the apartment is. All right. So now let's continue with the other one. Just okay, it's going up. Now, huge. What is huge? Huge is extremely large. Here's my example. The sentence, Ani's home is huge in the desert. Remember, exactly. Thank you, Valeria. Huge is extremely big or large in this case. For example, the tiny mouse and the tiny elephant, right? Sorry, the huge elephant, the tiny mouse and the huge elephant. It could be very big, large, and here's another example, right? It's a pumpkin. It's a fruit if I'm not wrong. This is a fruit. In the United States is very popular. this fruit. Okay, let's continue, guys. This is just a vocabulary introduction. Weather, you know what is weather? It's climatic conditions. For example, the weather is cool or fresh in the city today. Okay, so these are the examples. Some days are like stormy days, and others are like sunny. Others are, well, others are like sunny. And we have, for example, today's climate is very sunny, right? Because the sun is shining. So this is good for us because it gives us energy. And the other example, safe. You know what is safe? It's secure or free. Free from danger. This is the opposite of danger. Danger is harm, it's harmful, but safe is secure, right? All right, this is my example. We live in a safe neighborhood, you know, or neighborhood. Close to my neighbors and my best friend, probably. So people around me, people close to me. So safe is secure or free from danger. We live in a safe neighborhood. And remember the picture, stay home, stay safe. Because this coronavirus is dangerous. So you need to keep in your home or stay at home. All right. Now let's continue with the other one. Social. Okay, social. What does that mean? You know, is someone who is friendly in relations. Or another way to say easy way. Yeah, easy going, easy person. Easy way to interact. So this is a good way to communicate. And you are not shy, you are not timid, you are very easygoing person. Here's my example. Timmy is very social and goes to the church. Imagine, Timmy is very social, is very friendly, right? He likes to have a lot of friends and he goes to the church. This is my example. You can copy only the definitions, all right? Exactly, Daniel. Right now we have social distancing. Exactly. Right now it's impossible. But you can be social through the Facebook, through WhatsApp, through whatever, any social media. All right, good example. Let me see if this is the last one. Okay, and now, guys, let's go to the other part. What is the other part about? Now, I need you to open your books on page, who can tell me the page of the new lesson? Can you please write in the chat? What is the next page? Let me see if you are awake. Yes. Okay, can you please write in the chat if you can see the page? Page 40 or 42 or 41? What do you guys think? Page 42, 41, or 40? It's page 40. Right now, it's page 40. This is the name of the unit. Huge for a huge home for a little bird. Can you see the screen? Can you see this lesson? Please write in the chat. Can you see it well? Okay, I'm checking. Okay, wonderful. Thank you, Salvador. Thank you, Daniel. Very nice. Thank you, Rebecca. Okay, yes, Oscar, it's page 40. Now, this is the example. What do you think about the tree and this picture? Read and check. This is the name of the unit, lesson 6. So it's about Onis. Onis it's a bird. It is a bird. And today we are going to learn about what is Ani? Yes, okay. Now, let me see if I can find the other one. I think it's this one. Okay, it's track right now. Let's listen to the keywords, okay? Let me see, wait, let me see. I need to know if you can hear the audio, the track. Let's see. Can you hear the track?
Lesson 6. A huge home for a little bird.
Can you hear the chat? The track? Sorry. Yes. Okay. I'm going to play it right now. Okay. Just to make sure. Wonderful. Thank you.
Lesson 6. A huge home for a little bird. Key words: social, huge, apartment, danger, safe, weather. Lesson 6. A huge home for a little bird.
Hey guys. So this is the track.
Key words:
Okay. Sorry because it repeated again. But right now, let me see. Right now we are on page 40. Remember, page 40. Right now, let's focus on the next page. I think is this one. Just let me zoom. Okay. Now we are working on here. Page 40, right? Page 40. These are the keywords. So let me fix it just to see better. Okay, we are here. Now guys, I need you to help me with this. What is the best answer for this? Danger. Imagine the word danger, right? So danger, right now we have to match, follow the lines and write the correct words. So for example, here we have this option. Danger, it could be here. So please write danger here. Write the word danger. Let me know in the chat if you are working, please. Write danger here because you have to follow the line. Look at this. Danger is I'm following the line and until I get here. Okay. Write in the chat if you are working. Okay, wonderful, Valeria. Now, I need you to help me with the other one, apartment. Let's see the line. This is easy, right? So be careful with this. So apartment will be here. I'm just writing the initial word, just for you to know. Okay, thank you. And the other one, huge, huge, look at this. Huge in this case, they are talking about the duck because look at this. This is a tiny duck and this is a large duck. So duck is here. It's huge, sorry. That is huge. It's not duck, it's huge. I'm just writing the initial word. It's easy, this is very easy. Now weather, let's see, weather is following this, is here. Weather, I'm just talking about the initial word. Safe, look at this. Follow the, okay, safe is here, it's like this. And the rest, and the last one, sorry, this was the apartment. And the other one is social. Social is, the elephants are very social. They are very friendly with humans and with other animals too. So this is the initial word. Okay. Now, I think you have finished this because this is very fast. Exactly. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Diego. Thank you, Genesis. Okay. Now, just let me erase this. And let's continue with the next page. For the next page, I'm sorry, we have the continuation here. Who can tell me, guys? Who can tell me the number one? Read and choose the correct words. People wear seatbelts to stay huge or safe. What is? Daniel. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you, Genesis. It's safe. Yes. For this one, it's safe. Excellent, guys. Well, who wants to answer number two? Let me see in the chat if you are very fast. Huge. Excellent. Sharp. Monica. Okay. It's huge. Yes. There is a huge dog next to the small dog. Yes, it's huge. In this case, you are talking about the huge, the word huge. Remember. Number three. Social. Dimitri, thank you. Genesis, thank you. Okay, thank you. Santi. Walter, thank you. Valeria Sigüenza, all right. Yes, in this case, elephants are social animals. Number four, snakes. Salvador, it's danger. Pamela, okay. Thank you, Monica. Genesis, Deborah, thank you. Yes, excellent, guys. Snakes, remember the snakes are a great danger to mice. Mice, in this case, is the plural of mouse because snakes eat mouse or mice. Number five, who wants to help me with this one? Apartment, thank you, Miguel. Thank you, Dimitri, Ariana, thank you, Kaylee, Walter. There are a lot of apartment buildings in cities. Excellent. And the last one, tomorrow's weather, danger or will it be sunny? Yes, tomorrow's weather. It's talking about the next day. Excellent, guys. Thank you for your participation. I'm taking notes. Who is participating? Thank you. Excellent, guys. You are a very excellent group. Now, let's continue with the next page. Let me see. Right now, we are going to be talking about Onis. Onis, it's a bird. In this case, I'm going to play the track, okay? Just the audio about this. Onis, this is our story, okay? So open your book on page, let me see, page 43. Right now, we are on page 43. Please, we're talking about Onis bird. Let me see if I can find the track because I was here. Okay. Here is the track. And let me know if you can hear it.
A huge home for a little bird.
Does everybody hear the track? Yes or no? Please, I'm checking the chat. Yes, wonderful. Okay, let's continue. Thank you.
A huge home for a little bird. Oni is a social weaver. She is a small bird but her home is huge. Social weavers build bigger nests than other birds. Oni's nest has hundreds of rooms. It is like an apartment building for birds. Almost 300 social weavers live there. Other kinds of birds stay there too. All the birds watch for danger. They tell each other when dangerous animals are nearby. This keeps the nest safe. The big nest is useful in hot and cold weather. Oni lives in the Kalahari Desert in Africa. That desert is hot in summer, but cold in winter. In summer, Oni stays in a room near the outside of the nest. This keeps her cool. But in winter, she stays in the middle of the nest. It is warmer there. Oni's big nest is a great place to live.
All right. So, interesting story, right? Interesting story about Onis. Okay, let me see. Who can tell me in the chat who is Oni? It's a bird? It's a human? Or it's a thing? What is honey? What is Oni about? Yes, excellent. It's a bird. So what happened with this bird? What happened to it's talking about it's an animal, I know, but in this case is it's male or female? So what? It's he or is she? In simple words. I'm talking about exactly. It's a social weaver. It's a bird, but in this case, it's a female. Let me see if I can identify. Here is, yeah. Here, look at this. Oni, it's a bird, but in this case, it's female. Female. It's she in simple words. So Onis has hundreds of rooms. So the example here of Onis, in simple words, Onis live like in a nest similar to an apartment because it has a lot of rooms here. For example, this is one room, this is another room, and this is the others. These are the others rooms. So it's interesting. And Onis nest is this, all of this. All of this. Interesting, right? Because there are a lot of birds here. They live a lot of birds. So right now, I'm going to be asking this question. I will ask this question. Okay, thank you. Yeah, it's a little bird. Thank you. Let me see. We have one question here. Why are there many rooms in Oni's nest? Who can tell me the answer of this? Why are there many rooms in Oni's nest? Why? It's an apartment? It's a huge home? What? What do you guys think? Okay, Dimitri says, okay, through weathers, yes. To strive through weathers? Yes, it's a huge home, Oscar. Excellent. Exactly. And also, here in all these nests, there are hundreds. I mean, there are a lot of birds. So they can keep safe. They are safe here. Yes, because the Onis are very social. Yes, also. Exactly. Thank you, Daniel. All right. Let's move on with the other part. we are going to work on this question. Do you wish 100? What do you think about this question? I'm talking about this. I can reach to see it. Yes, Dimitri says yes. What do you think the rest? What do you think? In this case, let me see. Monica, what do you think? Write in the chat this question. I'm talking about this question. The question says, do you wish your home had hundreds of rooms? Why or why not? So the question is asking you if you would like to have a lot of rooms in your house or in your home. No, Deborah, it's not necessary to copy the question. This is just a practice, okay? This is just a practice. No, okay, Monica says no. Why? In this case, okay, Rebecca says she wants. Okay, in my case, I would like to have a lot of rooms. Why? Because I can help other people. I can give them a place to live. I can share with them, and I can be social as well in this case. Okay, Pamela, tell me, what is the answer? Or what do you think? Would you like to have a lot of rooms in your house? Okay. Or someone else? Okay, Daniel says he has 6 rooms. Excellent, good number. Monica, if I have many rooms, okay, you will lost. Yes, you will get lost. Thank you. Okay, no problem, guys. Thank you for your participation. Let's see, we almost finished, but I want to do with you this part. I want to finish with this part. Let me scroll down. No, let me scroll up in this case. Okay, right now we are on page 44. We are going to take advantage of this. Okay, let's work on page 44. Choose the best answer. Well, just to finish this very quickly. Okay, let's work quickly here. What is this passage mainly about? Letter A, letter B, or letter C? What do you guys think? Okay, I'm checking the chat. All right. Aha. Okay, some of you say B. Answer B. Yes, it's letter B. Number 1, it's letter B. Okay, is why social weavers have big nests. I'm talking about a little bird. Okay, thank you. Number 2, why do social weavers live with many other birds in the nest? Letter A, letter B, or letter C? Let me check. It could be, yes, they all keep the nest safe. Exactly. This is the purpose. Because they all, talking about all the birds, they keep the nest safe. Exactly. Okay, let's continue. Number 3, where is Ani's nest? In the desert, in the forest, or in the ocean? Yes, it's very easy. It's they live, or she lives, Anis lives in the desert. Thank you. Okay, let me scroll down because I can see the other word. I need to erase the other one. Okay. Thank you. All right. Number 4. Let's see. Let me ask a question. Who can tell me? Walter? Valeria Martinez? Who can tell me? Number 4, please. Who can answer this question? Number 4. When does honey stay in the middle of the nest? In spring, in summer, or in winter? It's according to the reading. Okay, some of you say in winter. Yes, it's in winter. Excellent, guys. You are very smart. Excellent. They only stays in the middle of the nest in winter. So, true or false? Number 5, honey lives with almost 300 other social weavers. True or false? What do you think? Yes, obviously it's true. The honest live with 300 other social weavers. So this is true. You can put the check here. And the number 6, social weaver nests are bigger than other birds' nests. What do you think? Imagine, look at the picture of honey's nest and you will have the answer. Yes, it's true. Thank you, Oscar. Thank you, Miguel. Thank you, Daniel. It is true. Social weavers' nests are bigger. It's extremely bigger than other bird nests. So both of these are true. And the last one, okay, you can check in your book the answers. And the last one, apartment. Oscar, let me see. Let me scroll down. Write the correct answer. What is honey's nest like? Yes, it is like an apartment building in a tree. Imagine an apartment in a tree. So it would be interesting. It would be like other guys, other boys and girls play. So in this case, it's an apartment. Apartment. I'm just going to write the initial words just not to take a lot of time. Okay, guys, I think we have finished this class. And let me see. Do you have any questions? Right now, we're going to stop here on page 44. Okay? Send me the pictures only for page 44 because this is the complete lesson for today's class. Only for today's class. Okay? Let me see. Yes, we have limited time. Exactly. 45 at least. No, Miguel, you don't have to send the pictures of 45. Only 44. Ah, yes, and 41 too. Thank you, Oscar. Pages 40, 41, and 44. Send me the pictures because in those pages, you need to complete. You needed to complete. Okay, let me erase this. And let me go back to the presentation. Again. Okay, guys. So the end of this presentation is this. See you in the next EFL class. Remember, the EFL class will start at 9. Sorry. The next EFL class will start at 9:45. So in a couple of minutes. So take your breakfast. Eat, please. Eat your breakfast. And see you around. Okay, guys. At 9:45, let me write it again. We have the EFL class. Okay, guys, it's time to say goodbye for a while, okay? So take care and see you at 9:45 a.m. Okay, take your breakfast and take a shower too. Okay, thank you guys for your participation. I miss you all. Take care. See you in the next EFL class. Okay, bye-bye. Take care. See you around. Have a good day. Thank you. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for your participation. See you. See you around.